Hi, my name is NikoPeric, and this is my code review for LAB2. And in addition to that, also preview on what LAB2 is. So what LAB2 is it deals with array sorting and subroutines as well with numbers. So for the sort 1 section, we're to set the R4, R5, R6 parameters, which are used by copy and sort subroutine. To sort array 1, R4 holds the starting address of the array, R5 holds the length of the array, R6 holds the starting location of the sorted array, copy subroutine, copy the content of array 1 into array 1s. The sort subroutine sorts the element on array 1s in place as well. And the sort 2 section is also similar to sort 1. And we're also given values as well to add into. So for example, array 1 setup and array 2 setup. And yeah, so then from there, we'll also allocate memory addresses to our array where they'll start as well. We clear our registers. So to go to the sort section, or the sorting algorithm, we have, so here, the address of R6 stores a value of that register into R8, and now R8 contains total elements in the array. R8 copies the value from R6 into R9, which is going to be used for inner loop. R8 will decrement every iteration, and in the case that n equals 0, or when R8 is decremented to b equal to 0, or when b equal to 0, we then jump to completed, which ends our loop. And here we set R7 to the top of the array by R6 in this portion, and we also increment R7 by 1 to set it to the top. And then we also, when we get to a loop in portion, we decrement R9 by 1 as well, and it exits when R9 is equal to 0, similar to how here with this line. And but we'll only do it for this loop in portion. And now we have the compare, where we're comparing the values of these two locations, or these two registers, and compare to see if these elements are the same. And if the present value is greater than the last value, we then jump back. It does not switch in that sense if the present value is greater than the last value. And then finally here, next on here, we have R7 copies into a value, it swaps into the last value with the present value, and it replaces the present value with the last value here as well. So here's where swapping happens. And for a loop in, it jumps to loop in again until completed case is met. Okay? And to run our results here, alright, so we begin here, and if you look down here, I have a breakpoint at our main loop. When I run the program, you will see, sorry, 1 second. Okay, good. Here we have our array 2 sort. You can see that it begins 0A, A6, B3, B4, C0, 17, and so on, all the way to 62. And this is all in hexadecimal. And when we get to 210, this is our array 1s, this is array 2s and array 1s. And we can see that this array is also sorted as well. So we have 0A, AE, C9, D4, ED, EE, 10, 18, and so on, all the way to 63. Okay, and finally we also have our, just show you here, array 1 is starting at 200, and array 2 is starting at 220. So this is the before and after, you could say. Okay, that's my LAB2 video submission, and thank you for watching. I appreciate it.